In this video, we will be covering OSIsoft's AMI solution and the Enterprise Gateway machine. This machine is responsible for billing, so it connects all the meter usage data to the bills that are sent out. It also manages other business end pieces, but it needs access to all the usage data that we have through the AMI solution that OSIsoft offers. Okay, now the Enterprise Gateway machine is housed on a server just like the other pieces of the AMI solution. There's also the data source that's housed on its own machine, and the Pi interface, which hosts the Pi SCC application. So these all have their own machines. Now, the Enterprise Gateway is responsible for communicating with those meters and sending business commands. So things like disconnect this meter, connect this meter, ping that meter, or just demand a read off a meter to get the usage data right now. And it needs a way of taking these commands, these four simple commands, and communicating them to the meters. And how does it do that? How does the route actually go through the Pi interface and the data source? So first off, we have the Pi SCC, the smart container, connector container. And we also have head-end software. So this could be a couple different other non-OSIsoft makers could make the head-end software. Now Pi SCC, in the middle of Pi SCC, there is the meters.table, so that's just keeps track of where all the meters are. And when the Enterprise Gateway service sends a request over, it will be translated by a number of DLLs in Pi SCC to translate that request into a request that's understandable by the head end. So there's one DLL, the RPC handler, that's an internal Pi SCC DLL. And then there's the head-end plugin, which will be named after whichever head-end software we're configuring with. So a web request is sent in, and it's sent around Pi SCC and then translated to a command that's forwarded to the head-end. The head-end then implements this command on the meters, so such as disconnect that meter or connect a different one. Now, the Enterprise Gateway service also communicates with the Pi server and the Pi AF server in order to calculate billing data, as well as send connect and disconnect requests. So as you can see, the Enterprise Gateway has a fairly straightforward relationship with the rest of the OSIsoft AMI solution.